The morning sun hits the backyard grass. William stands in the center of the yard, gripping the handle of his small blue bucket. He scans the ground, his attention caught by a rhythmic rustle nearby.
Chewy zips into the frame, paws drumming against the dirt, while Bubbles waddles close behind,
her head bobbing in short, sharp motions. William stops moving. He tilts his head, eyes locked on a sudden glint hidden deep within the tall, emerald blades. He drops to his knees, ignoring the dirt, and reaches deep into the greenery. His fingers close around something cool and solid.
He pulls it out, revealing a perfectly smooth, shiny pebble. He lifts it into the light.
Watching the surface catch the sun, Chewy trots forward, ears perked, and nudges William's hand with a wet nose to get a better look. Bubbles follows, stepping cautiously over the grass, stretching her neck out to peck curiously at the object. The three of them hover over the stone, a moment of shared focus in the warmth of the yard. William turns the pebble over in his palm, feeling its weight, while his companions remain perfectly still, waiting to see what he will do next. The smooth stone teeters on the edge of William's thumb, then tips. It hits the grass and gathers speed, rolling down the gentle slope of the yard. William lunges, but his small feet stumble in the thick clover. Chewy sees the movement and bolts, his claws scratching against the hard-packed dirt as he scrambles in pursuit. Bubbles flaps her wings, feet barely touching the ground as she hops after the rolling prize. The pebble bounces over a series of exposed tree roots and comes to a sudden, final stop in the deep shade at the base of the old oak. William reaches the tree first, breathless, and scoops the stone from the dirt. He pulls a small wooden box from his side, flips the latch, and tucks the pebble inside. As the lid clicks shut, the air around the tree ripples. A line of golden, glowing light sprouts from the earth, tracing a path through the grass that hums with a soft, melodic chime. William stares at the shimmering trail. Chewy tilts his head at the light, and Bubbles lets out a curious, low cluck. The path is set. The adventure begins. A rhythmic siren wails in the distance, cutting through the quiet air. Chewy perks his ears, his tail wagging in time with the sound, while Bubbles stops her scratching to look toward the horizon.
William follows the glowing golden line of the Wonder Path as it curls out of the yard and onto the paved sidewalk.
They move with purpose, feet clicking against the concrete. The station appears ahead, a large brick building with wide, open doors. A towering red truck sits parked inside, its surface gleaming under the overhead lights. William stops, his eyes wide as he looks up at the massive tires and the complex array of silver levers.
A firefighter steps forward, signals them closer, and lifts William into the driver's seat. The steering wheel feels large under his small hands. Nearby, Chewy trots circles around the base of the truck,
while Bubbles pecks cautiously at the rubber tread. The crew shows them how the hoses uncoil and how the long ladders extend toward the roof. As they prepare to leave, the firefighter kneels,
produces a bright sticker badge, and presses it firmly onto William's chest. William touches the shiny surface, a grin spreading across his face. The path ahead begins to glow again, signaling the next stop on their journey.
The air at the rodeo grounds vibrates with the heavy rhythm of drums and the sharp, rhythmic cheering of the crowd. William, Chewy, and Bubbles follow the glowing line through the gates, where the scent of warm popcorn fills the space. Bright flags snap in the wind, and a line of horses trots past,
their hooves striking the earth in a steady, percussive beat. William waves both hands, his excitement mirroring the fast pace of the riders. Chewy mimics the horses, prancing in small,
awkward steps, his head bobbing as he tries to match their stride. Bubbles wanders toward the edge of the popcorn stand, distracted by the smell, before fluttering back to rejoin the group. A woman kneels in the dust, her hands moving quickly as she places a tiny paper hat on William's head.
Chewy receives a bright, colorful bandana, and Bubbles gets a ribbon tied securely to her wing.
The energy is infectious. pulling them deeper into the center of the arena. As the last rider passes, the ground beneath them seems to hum, and the wonder path lights up once more, recording their success. The trio stands at the center of the noise, ready for whatever the path reveals next. The vibrant colors of the day begin to dim as the trio reaches the edge of the town park. Patriotic decorations in red, white, and blue sway slowly in the cooling evening breeze. Families sit on checkered blankets, the sounds of shared snacks and quiet laughter drifting through the trees. William slows his pace,
his legs heavy after the long day. He finds a soft, thick patch of grass and curls up, his breathing evening out into a steady rhythm. Chewy trots over, sniffs the ground, and rests his chin firmly on William's shoulder. Bubbles settles into the grass nearby, tucking her head beneath a wing.
The horizon turns a deep, bruised purple, and the park falls into a rare, expectant silence. Suddenly, the darkness above breaks. Silent blossoms of light unfurl in the night sky, painting the air with soft, shimmering trails of gold and silver. There is no thunder, only the graceful drift of sparks descending toward the earth.
William lifts his head, his eyes reflecting the flickering glow. He whispers a single, breathless wow as the light washes over them. The wonder path pulses with a gentle,
steady rhythm on the ground, recording the moment of pure, quiet awe before the glow begins to fade into the dark. The morning light reveals the steep incline of the tall hill overlooking the town. William stands at the base, looking up at the winding dirt trail that snakes toward the summit. He takes the first step, his small feet finding purchase in the packed earth. Chewy moves ahead, his nose to the ground as he scouts the path, while Bubbles follows with short, quick hops. The trail narrows, forcing them into a single line. Halfway up, a massive, moss-covered log blocks their way. William stops, his hands pressed against the rough bark as he attempts to hoist himself over. His grip slips once, his feet sliding in the loose dirt, but he pushes again, finding a foothold.
He maneuvers his way to the top, balancing for a moment before dropping to the other side. Chewy scrambles under a gap in the branches, his tail wagging as he clears the hurdle. Bubbles flaps her wings,
launching herself upward to land gracefully on the trunk before gliding down to join them. The climb grows steeper, the ground yielding under their combined weight. They push forward, breaths coming in quick, rhythmic puffs, eyes locked on the distant peak as the path curves sharply toward the summit. The trail levels off, and the dense brush gives way to an open expanse of earth and stone. William reaches the summit, his chest heaving from the final push. He walks to the edge and spreads his arms wide. Below, the town stretches out in a patchwork of roofs, roads, and green spaces. The air feels thinner here, moving in cool currents against his skin. Chewy trots to the very front, sitting upright with his ears pricked toward the horizon. Bubbles finds a flat rock and lets out a soft, satisfied cluck, her head turning to survey the landscape. William stands still, watching the shadows of clouds move across the valley floor. The Wonder Path map illuminates on the ground beneath their feet, pulsing with a bright, warm light. It marks the final destination with a steady, golden glow. Their long day concludes here, amidst the quiet wind and the expansive view of the world they have traversed together.